मित्रों नमस्कार। आज के इस सेशन में हम आज आपको बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक कंस्ट्रक्शंस पर डिस्कशन करेंगे और यहाँ आज हम आपको सिखाएंगे हाउ टू कंस्ट्रक्ट एंगल 15 डिग्री, एंगल 45 डिग्री, एंगल 7.5 डिग्री and angle 22.5 degree. So dear, how can you construct these type of triangle angles, these type of angles? So let us start and enjoy this video. Dear, first of all we will take a ruler as you see just here and draw a ray just like you can see here, and then mark the name of this ray as anything, let OX. Okay, after that you will take your compass and placing the compass at the pointer of O, just you can see that, and take some distance as you convenient. अपनी सुविधा के अनुसार कोई भी डिस्टेंस विदाउट एनी मेजरमेंट हम ले सकते हैं. एज यू सी जस्ट लाइक दैट, हियर इज सम डिस्टेंस इन माय कंपास. ओके, नाउ वी विल फिक्स दिस डिस्टेंस and draw a semicircle placing the pointer of compass at O, means needle of compass at the point O. So you can see that this is the point O, which is the red symbol, and now you will draw a semicircle as you see just like that in on the screen. This is the semicircle, and now without changing the distance of compass you will place the pointer of compass at the point, let us this is A. The intersection of the point ray OX and the semicircle. Okay, and then what to do? Without changing the distance you will mark an arc such that you can see this arc, let us intersect at the point B. Again you will place the pointer of compass at B without changing the distance and mark third one arc, just you can see that here. So let us, this point is C. Okay, now we want to construct angle 15 degree. So what to do? Point B indicate, you all know that this, if you join O to B then you will get angle 60 degree. So now dear, we will draw the bisector of this 60 degree, then we will get a angle 30 degree. So how can you draw the bisector? We will place the pointer at B and mark an arc such that you can see here, and again placing the pointer at A and once again mark another arc, just you can see here. This arc intersect at new point. You will place the pointer at B and placing the pointer at A. So you will get intersection of two arcs. Now you will take the ruler and join this point to O. Just you can see like that on the screen. You will draw here a ray. The name of this ray is you can put y. So dear XOY, this is the angle 30 degree. Okay, but we will construct here angle 15 degree. So you can see, you can observe that this ray OY intersect semicircle at the point C. So you will place the pointer of compass angle XOY is 30 degree and intersection point of the semicircle to this ray OY is C. Now again you will take the compass and placing the pointer at C and draw again arc, you can see just like that, and now placing the pointer at A, you will draw second one arc. These two arc intersect at a point. Now you will take the ruler and join this intersection point to the initial point O. You will get a ray. The name of this ray is OZ. So dear, you will get this angle, that is angle AOZ equal to 15 डिग्री. ये दोस्तों आपको 15 डिग्री का एंगल मिल गया. ओके, सो दिस एंगल इज 15 डिग्री. But if you want to construct angle 7.5 degree, then what to do? Again dear, you can observe that this ray OZ intersect at a point of the semicircle at D. You observe that this is the point D, and now you will take the compass and placing the pointer of compass at A, you can draw a semicircle again. Placing the pointer at A, and you can mark one more arc as you see, just like that on the screen. This is the next one arc. Okay, and now you will place the pointer of compass at the point D. Okay, and you will mark next arc on this blue arc, you can see that. So you will get a intersection point, just you can see, placing the pointer at D and placing the pointer at A. So you will get a intersection point such that you can observe that on the screen. If you take the scale or ruler, join this intersection point, then dear you will get angle 7.5 degrees. So this is the process to construct the angle. This angle is 7.5 degree. So up to till time you have to learn construction of angle 30 degree and then angle 15 degree, after that angle 7.5 degree. Now dear, how can you construct angle 45 and 22.5 degree? So let us see. Once we will start from initial once again, from starting once again, we will draw a ray such that this is without measurement, and after that you will take the ruler, you will take the compass and take some distance in your compass as you like, as you wish. This is without measurement, and draw a semicircle, just you can see on the screen. Okay, here is requirement on the only semicircle. Now dear, we will mark arc from the same distance. Let us, this point is A, and placing the pointer at the intersection point of ray OX. This is the point A, intersection point of the circle A and ray OX. You can see just like that on the screen. This is the starting point A, and after that you will mark a arc such that you can see here. This is angle 60 degree, and again you will mark next arc. This is the angle of 120 degree, once more 60 plus 60 means 120 degree. And here what to do after this? You will mark one more arc between these two arcs. You can see that here, just like that. What to do? Placing the pointer at, let this point is B and this point is C. So you will place the pointer at B and draw arc such that you can see just between of this point B and C, and again placing the pointer at C, again you will draw one more arc. These two arcs intersect at a point. Now you will take the ruler and join this point to the initial point O. You will get angle 90 degree. If you join this point, then you will get angle 90 degree. But our aim is to construct angle 45 degree. So what to do? Once again we will take the compass and placing the pointer of compass this point of intersection. Okay, and now you will draw the bisector of 90 degree. Then you will get like that. This is a color of pink. This arc you will get. Okay, and again the pointer of compass placing of the point A, then these two arc intersect at a point, common point, and this common point if you join, then you will get angle 45 degree. This is the construction. If you bisect angle 90 degree, then you will get the required construction of angle 45 degree by joining this point to initial point O. Yes, this ray indicate the angle 45 degree, that is angle AOB equal to 45 degree. Now dear, how can you construct angle 22.5 degree? You know the half of 45 is 22.5. So again we will draw the bisector of angle 45 degree. Then we will get angle 45 degree. So what is the steps? You will place the pointer of compass at the point of intersection this ray. So dear, you will get one more arc as you see, just like that in the diagram, and placing the pointer at A. This is the process to bisect angle 45 degree. And here, if you join this to initial point by taking the ruler, you will get required angle of 45 degree. As you see, this ray shows that angle AOD equal to, means this one angle is 22.5 degree. Okay, so you can say that, you can write that angle AOD equal to 22.5 degree. So this is the requirement, and I think that all concept is clear here. So thank you so much.